In this video, I'm going to show you how to install new dash speakers into a Toyota Camry with a JBL audio system setup. This is perfect if you need to replace busted speakers or you just want to upgrade your sound. I'm installing these Club 34F JBL speakers into my wife's 2015 Toyota Camry Hybrid, and I'm using these plug-and-play speaker harnesses which make the installation process so much easier because you're literally just plugging everything into the current audio system setup. Now, before you purchase anything, you want to confirm the exact audio system that you have in your particular Toyota or Lexus. I've made this cheat sheet that shows the exact harness part number that you'll need to purchase based on the speaker that you plan to install and your system audio setup. Whether you have the JBL setup or the base non-amp setup, you can use that guide to show you exactly what to purchase. And I'll have links to all of these products down in the description below that I'm using. I'm first going to start off by removing the grill covers using one of these tools that you see. It just makes everything pop off really easily. And from here, you're then going to remove the screws that are holding the original speaker in place. And this is the busted speaker that I'm removing right now. You'll need to remove it from the original harness. I was having a little bit of trouble, as you can see here. I had to squeeze really hard, but I was eventually able to get it. And from here, you're then gonna install the new speaker. Now, here are some images to show exactly how and where everything plugs in. So you're gonna plug these red sockets into the terminals on the new speaker. There are two of them. And after that, you're then gonna plug in the black harness adapter to the existing vehicle harness. It's really easy to plug in. And once you do so, you should hear a click sound just like this. And after that, you're then gonna put the speaker down into the mounting assembly and reattach the screws that you once removed. You should be able to use the same screws. You don't have to drill any new holes. Make sure to tighten the screws down using a socket wrench or a screwdriver. And it's really as simple as that. I then repeated the same process for the other speaker. This took me less than 30 minutes to install both speakers. You'll then want to reattach those grill covers, and these snap into place just like so. And again, make sure to play your favorite track to make sure that the sound is working. I was really pleased by the sound of these new JBL speakers. They sounded way better than the original factory speakers, which I really liked. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, give it a like and let me know down in the comments. Again, you can find links to all of these products and tools down in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next DIY video.